I'm going to show you how to make the trending 2024 in 12 clips video using TikTok and CapCut. It's fun, simple, and the perfect way to highlight your favorite moments from the year. So grab your favorite clips and let's dive right in. First, make sure you've updated both TikTok and CapCut to their latest versions. Next, open TikTok and tap the search icon in the top right corner. Type in 2024 in 12 clips in the search bar. Browse through the results until you find a template you love. Once you've chosen one, tap the Try This Template button. TikTok will take you to a new page where you'll see an option that says Use Template in CapCut. Tap on it, and CapCut will automatically open. In CapCut, tap Use Template and start selecting 12 clips one for each month of 2024. Choose videos or photos that represent your favorite memories of the year. After selecting your clips, preview the video to see how it looks. If you're happy with it, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution, like 1080p or 4K, and save it to your device. Now your video is ready to shine. Share it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other platform to celebrate your year in style. You've just created your own 2024 in 12 clips video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.